Alright guys, let's go into the art room and see what we have here. Alright, so here is the art room, and it is a mess as always. And Miss Harvey has things scattered around everywhere, creating projects for you guys. Okay, and here's a bunch of paper. We were something that was donated to us by some awesome people. Okay, and here is where we make our crayons. They give us prizes. And as you see, here's the clay. So whenever we get back to the classroom, this is exactly what we're going to be doing. So here's my cart. I have speakers, computer, projector, shelves for our portfolios, my portfolio, and here I've got my crayons and everything here. So there you go, guys. I can't wait for you guys to come back. That way we can create art in here.